This is a 1985 Kmart model K-223 20-inch box fan. Got this fan from a flea market, paid $10 for it. It was definitely worth it. This fan is in great shape. You can see there's a vent missing there, but then when you look down the bottom of the fan, there it is. I did that unloading it from the car. Just gotta glue it back into place, not a big deal. I broke that one and cracked that one, but not a big deal, just glue it back into place. The fan's in great shape other than one thing. Look how shifted the cabinet is. It's all shifted down and everything, and the fan sits on level. It's because it fell from somewhere and landed on that back corner and jammed the whole cabinet down sideways. So I'm going to have to do it on a carpet floor like in my bedroom here. I'm going to have to take the fan, tip it upside down, and push down on this corner on the floor. I put this corner of the fan on the floor and shove the frame back into straightness so that the fan sits level and doesn't look all weird when it's on a hard floor. Because this thing will be sitting there out in my living room, because this thing looks so nice. It's the fan I use in my living room. It'll be sitting there, and everybody asks me, why is the fan doing this all the time? Because it'll sit there and do this most of the time when it's on high or medium. When it's on low, it generally tends to stay still. According to the guy I bought it from, this fan has never been cleaned once in its life, and it still looks this good. He said the thing's probably got less than 30 hours on it, he said he thinks. It looks like it too. It's got basically no dirt in it anywhere, and the motor is perfectly clean inside too and perfectly oiled. I have not taken a screw out of this fan yet since I've owned it. It has not needed it. It's so perfect. It runs so perfect I don't want to mess with it, and I'm not gonna. You can see the paint is the shiniest I've ever seen on one of these fans. And so is the switch plate. The switch plate doesn't even have a scratch in it. It's absolutely perfect, as you guys can see. Not too often you find one of these fans in this nice a shape. That's just some surface rust. I can get that off with some steel wool. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and hope all you guys enjoyed.